Good evening, Snigdha here with you, and with me is Sati. Down to Ninkasi 9. It's a kitchen and club, the gallery, 11 a.m. onwards. It's got, they say, very good cuisine, so we've come to have a look. And your host again, Snigdha. We have Regal Wednesday, Live Thursday, Famous Friday, Slam Saturday, and Shutdown Sunday. So let's go have a look.
Just
We have finally arrived.
Welcome to Ninkasi 9.
Having a cocktail, getting ready to have a cocktail. So let's see how it goes. Yeah.
Just
Watermelon based.
Okay, so this is a watermelon-based cocktail. Yeah, so I'm going to try it. It's very nice. We are at Ninkasi 9, and I'm having a watermelon-based cocktail. Fantastic. So you guys must come down and try it. We'll be showing you more of the place. So I hope you enjoy this with us as we spend time here. Thank you.
Freedom's around and they're suffering. They're suffering, yeah. We're counting down, tick tock, and the time is running out.